You guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit gaming video with my new editing method, only for beginners, in just one day. And after this video you can edit many gaming videos that everyone love to watch. First thing you should to do, it's that to click on the Premiere Pro. After that you need to choose a special name for your project. It's really important, and you can do the same thing that I do. Click New Project, change that location. Double click here. After that you can choose your gameplay or any different videos. Click enter and put that video on your magic timeline. Wait, before you do anything you must doing this, and don't ask me. Later you appreciate me for that, and if you don't listen to me I will. If your PC is cold and your timeline is so laggy, you need to change that to a lower playback resolution, and if you don't have lag it's okay. Just make sure when you want to export your video put that to full resolution. And the second thing you must do correctly is this. Click on sequence after that sequence settings and make sure the video frame be correct, and these two options are ticked. Maximum bit depth and maximum render quality. This two option is extremely important for your final video quality. After this you need to cut the trashy parts of your video, I mean the parts that are not cool or funny at all. Just delete all of that garbage.
To do this you just need to select the razor tool and then start cutting the video.
This depends on the time of your video, and it can take from a few minutes to a few hours, or even I know someone who took hundreds of years to cut their videos in Premiere. And I know how boring it will be if you want to use the razor tool and repeat it all the time, because I have very big brain to cut much faster. Just press the Ctrl and K and you will see that cut your video into pieces. Now you just need to left click there and then press the delete button. And for example, the work of cutting this gameplay took only half an hour for me. Now it might be more or less for you. And remember, if you learn how to edit with this video and you start making garbage, most likely you will see me under your bed at night. After you get the timeline, you have to write a very good subtitle for your videos. I mean good. Very good. To do this you just select the place where you talked, then click on the T button, and finally left click on the screen. And you can write whatever you want. For example, dickhead cat, just write anything you want. After you write your text, you should go into vector motion. Don't touch it in any way, never touch it. Just trust me, if you touch it I will slap you. The only thing you have to work is motion. If you left click on your motion you can move your text. Place your text where you want it to be. This is the right size for me. After that click on this clock symbol next to the position and scale so that we can give animation to our text that has very little movement. Drag this bar to the left to animate the keyframes more precisely. After you can change these numbers to give your text a very nice animation. Wait, I was forgetting. The names of these symbols are keyframes. We can use these to move objects and animate our own text in any way we want. I suggest you to take time to do this, and depending on your video, you can do it frame by frame or every 10 frames. Remember, there is no special rule for editing that I can tell you here. You must edit in such a way that your video is good. So you have to take time for your work. So basically after 10 minutes I finished the work of animated and keyframe. You have to be very creative and work in the Premiere with love. Alright, I'll show you the golden part that I animated for you. Alright guys, you have now reached level 1 in editing, but this is still nothing compared to the editing that we are going to do. And like always, get the hell out of here.